Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'm going to show you step by step how you can easily add a mind map or how you can do the mind mapping with Monday.com. So let's start. The first thing you want to do is next to the let's say you have a main table, timeline, the views here, you want to click on add a view. Here you want to go to more views and search, you want to write mind mapping. You want to find it and then you want to click add to your account. Okay, install. Now you have option to choose the workspace here and choose a board. So let's say this is going to be the customer project, add a future. And now here we go. So let's just wait until it loads and authorize. And now we are going to add a name. So this is going to be, let's say, my mind map, and I'm going to show you what you can do here. Here you can simply, when you have the, let's say, central concept, you can change the name of it. So let's say this is going to be our first step. You can click on arrows here and like those three dots, and you can always turn it into Monday.com item. I can click plus here and then I can have idea 1. I can click plus here and it's going to give me idea 2. And I can have multiple ideas, how many I want, right? So then I can again click plus here and this is where it's going. And you can take a tour or what you can achieve on the top right. And you have tutorials here, right? If you're not sure, you can simple here and paste it here. See? Now what you can do is again, let's say click 3 dots and I can have this idea. So let's say we're going to turn something to the item. I can click here, the plus here, and let's say this is going to be a Marcus customer project. And here I'm going to click 3 dots here and then turn into Monday.com item. And what you can find here, Marcus customer project. So even from the MindMap view, you can easily have an item, and in a moment when you're gonna add it as an item, you can go to item here. See, this is how simple it is. And then you can choose and edit everything here. So that's how it works, and you can edit the item. Now when we go further, let's say I'm going here, I can click on a customer project again. And I can again, let's say I want to delete one, so I'm going to click on the 3 dots here and delete item. So that's what you can do. And this is pretty much it. Now you're gonna have plenty of views, and I don't know what else to show you guys because it's pretty simple and pretty basic. You can hide it. Well, let's say I can have idea 5. And I can move it. See, this is how we do it. Now you're gonna have like plenty of views that you can use, guys. So let's say you just click more views. And that's, I guess, is pretty much it. So I'm just looking for like apps that I would show you, but there is like no ideas in my mind what I want to show you. So yeah. Of course, like if you can have any questions, ask me down in comments. You can filter it by person. Here you can filter it here. And in the settings you can have like split view, that what you would have actually in your mind map you would find directly in your board under it. So yep, thank you and have a great day, guys, and goodbye. See ya.